Welcome back to Jack and Mom's kitchen. Today we're going to be making pot roast. The ingredients are two pieces of beef and some roughly chopped onions, garlic, bay leaves, celery from our garden, potatoes, carrots, and some more carrots, and all-purpose flour. Also, you'll need some red wine, but it's optional. You have to brown both sides of the beef. We finished browning the beef. Now we're going to be sauteing the onions. The carrots, the thyme, the garlic, the bay leaf, the celery, the pepper, add some all-purpose flour to make it thicken.
To what? To thicken the sauce, right?
Thicken. The flour is thoroughly cooked. Now let's add the red wine.
Which one is that?
Red wine.
Okay. Simmered.
Now you add some vegetable broth or water. Now you stir it. Once you're done stirring it, add the meat. Now you're gonna add the potatoes and carrots on top. Slow and put on low fire for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, we finally got the finished product, and here we paired it with mashed potatoes and gravy. Let's eat.